Hi everybody, it's Rhonda, and I want to talk to you today about this style I saw on Etsy. I've noticed it popping up just over the last week or so quite a bit. This faux pearl style. We have like the university letters with a pattern and then the faux pearl borders, and then we have words just written in the faux pearl. But I want to show you, if you look at this, 3 weeks ago, 1 week ago, 3 weeks, 1 month, 1 week, 6 days. So these are all very new listings. So this is a new style that's starting to gain traction. So I wanted to get this video done for you so you could get in on this early and create your own designs. So I'm going to show you how I do this using Affinity Studio. You will need this pearl stroke style from Tampa Tailor Made here on Etsy, and I'll leave the link below for you where you can grab this stroke style that he has available, and this is just perfect for this job, for this design. So in here in Affinity, and here's one that I've already done, and I just want to show you this is so easy to do. All right. So what I'm going to do is create a new artboard here, and we are going to jump over to this artboard, and I have it zoomed in so you can see it quite a bit better, okay, as I'm working. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our text tool, and I'm going to just put in here, we're going to do mama. Now this is showing my, I want to get rid of this completely, this style, okay? And I just don't know how to get rid of this style. There we go. So let's come back up here and set our fill any color we want, all right? And for now, we'll get rid of the stroke. So this is what your text would look like from the start, okay? If you just added new text, you'd have a solid color. So the first thing I'm going to do is I do want to make this curved a little. So I'm going to come up here to Vector, New Warp Group, and I am going to choose Mesh, okay? And I can come right here to, oops, I didn't want Mesh, my bad. Vector, New Warp Group, Quad, okay? So now I can come right in here in like the center of the design, and I can make it, you know, taller there if I want, and I can bring in the bottom a little bit if I want as well. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good just like that. All right, so I have my text warped the way I want to. You don't have to do that. You could just leave it plain. It's up to you. And now that I have my text here, the first thing I'm going to do is fill it. So I'm going to come over here to the left to my Vector Flood Fill tool. Set my bitmap, and I am going to go with a, let's do a spring set of digital papers I want to use. So let's go find them. Spring patterns, here we go. And I think I'm going to go with this plaid here. So I'm just going to fill my letters with my plaid, and I think I'll make it a little bit smaller. Just like that. And that's good. Good with that. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add a stroke. And I'm going to make it, for right now, I'm just going to make it like 6, just like that. Okay. And from there, I'm going to come into my styles. And I have the Pearls and More style selected. I have that installed now. I'll leave the link for you where you can download it from Etsy from Tampa Tailor Made. And I have all these different pearl styles in here that I can choose from. I'm going to choose a 27. Now, to do this, you do need to have your text tool. All right, it needs to be on text, and then just select your style. And then you can adjust your stroke size, so you can adjust the size of your pearls just like that. You can come over here and adjust the color on them as well if you want. Make that whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna come over here and make those, maybe we'll go over here to the yellow, make them more, there we go, something like that, I think. Or, you know, you can, like I said, you can make them whatever color you want to. It's up to you. You can leave them the way they are. and you can choose different ones. There's a lot of different styles in here that you can choose from. I really like this 27, and I believe it's, I can't remember what the other one is that I really liked, but 27 is probably my favorite. It looks the most like pearls. So once you have that done, that's it. Your design is finished, and I would just select it and rasterize it. And now that's finished. You could download it and upload it, to your Etsy shop. That's doing the text. Now, you can also draw paths. Like, let's say you wanted a bow, a hand-drawn bow. So we can grab our pencil tool, and let me put a bit of a stroke on it just so we can see. So I'm just going to draw this really lame bow. I mean, I'm not very good at this, and I'm using a mouse, but that is kind of a cute hand-drawn bow here. And once we have that done, again, we can just select our style for it, and now we can increase the size of our pearls. Once we do that, then we can group it together so it is just one piece, and bam, we could put that with our mama and be done. Okay, so that's another way. Now you can also, if you want to do a single line word where it just looks like the word is written in pearls, I'm gonna do love here, and I am gonna get rid of the styles completely. Okay, we don't want any style at all, but I need to choose a new font for this. So I'm going to come up here, and in here I have something called Backstay. And Backstay is what is called a single line font. Okay, you can get them on Creative Fabrica. Let me just search for single line font. Okay, and it will bring up a bunch of different ones, but this is what you need if you want to just write a word in the pearl style. Okay, so whoops, here's my word. Let me make the color of it darker. Okay, so you see that's just a very thin font, and with my text tool selected here, I'm going to come in and click my style. All right, and now we just wrote the word love in pearls. And again, we can adjust the size of our stroke, and it's only keeping it a single line because that's what we selected. We have a single line font. Had this been something like Mama, it just would have gone around the edges just like it did in this design. All right, so you can do that. If you want to just do those plain words, and then you could add the bow to that, there's just so many different ways you can do this. And then you can also bring in silhouettes. Okay, let me grab, I have a silhouette here of a bunny. All right, now this is a PNG. So what we need to do is first we need to go to Vector, Image Trace, and apply. So this is now a curve. It is a vector. So we can, resize them if we want. And I'm going to make a copy of this by holding down Alt and dragging. Okay. So for this little guy, let's say I want to add a stroke to him. So I'm going to make a stroke. But I'm going to change the color of that stroke quick, just so you can see it better. All right. So you see we have our stroke here. And now I'm going to come back over to styles. And again, I'm going to choose my pearl style that I want. And you see it made my fill disappear, but we can get that back. So we're going to come over here to set fill and choose the color, or again, we can use the vector flood fill tool, and we can do pattern fill, the vector flood fill. So I'm going to make this a leopard print, and I'm going to make that smaller, just like that. And we can make the stroke bigger now if we want, however you want to do it. And I'll zoom in here so you can see this a little better. Okay. So that's I'm going to ungroup these. These are driving me crazy that they keep grabbing both of them. Okay, so there's this one. You can do it with the fill, or you can add your stroke and just do the outline. You don't have to fill it if you don't want to, and you can just choose your preferred pearl border and be done with it. And then that would be a finished design as well. Just let me find one I like. There's so many. It's this one, and we'll make our pearls just a little bit bigger. And there you go. Now you could do these and, just do the outline of your shapes, or you can flood fill them like this. But this stroke style from Tampa Tailor Made makes doing these faux pearl designs so easy. All right, so I apologize for that ringing if you heard it. So, these are super, super easy to make. All right, you just, grab that stroke style from Tampa Tailor Made and you are well on your way. You can make these all day long, and you can make so many different styles, so many different ways. I love that we can do it. You can draw and use custom shapes that you want, and the single line font where you can write the words so it looks like it's written in pearls, in a string of pearls. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Like I said, this is really something new that I'm just starting to see show up on Etsy, and almost all the listings are under a month old. So get in there, get some designs done, get yours listed, and get ahead of this what looks to be like a new style trend. Alrighty. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And I thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it so very, very much. Take a second to like and subscribe. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.